How to connect a braided water supply line with a Safeflow Excess Flow Valve to a toilet. Welcome back. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and today I'm going to show you how to connect an Easyflex braided water supply line equipped with a Safeflow Excess Flow Valve to your toilet. The Safeflow Excess Flow Valve, EFV for short, is designed to prevent water from flowing in the event of a damaged or ruptured water line. This little device can sense the sudden rush of water and shut it down automatically, potentially saving you a lot of money and headaches from water damage. Before we start, we have to make sure the water is shut off at the supply stop. If this is a water supply line replacement job, make sure to flush the toilet to empty the tank water before unscrewing the water connector from the tank. Place a small bucket underneath to catch the remaining tank water. Connecting this braided water supply line with a Safeflow Excess Flow Valve is just like connecting a standard braided water supply line, which means it should be fairly easy. Here is what you need. Easyflex braided water supply line with Safeflow Excess Flow Valve for toilets, adjustable wrench, and adjustable pliers. Okay, let's start. Step 1. First, we'll hand tighten the ball cock connector of the water supply line to the toilet tank. Step 2. Let's go ahead and hand tighten the other end of the water supply line to the supply stop. Then, use the adjustable wrench to turn the connector clockwise until the seal is firm and tight. Do not over-tighten the connector. Step 3. For the final step, turn on the water at the supply stop and make sure there are no leaks at both connections. If there is a leak, slightly tighten the connector until the leak stops. Here are some Easyflex tips to help you out. Tip 1. Even though the Safeflow EFV is designed to prevent major water damage when a water supply line fails, you should regularly check your line for cracks or leaks. You can never be too careful. Tip 2. Easyflex carries Safeflow braided water supply lines for various types of applications: faucets, ice makers, toilets, dishwashers, and washing machines. Tip 3. I hope I was able to show you how to properly connect an Easyflex braided water supply line equipped with a Safeflow Excess Flow Valve to your toilet. All the links to our products are in the video description below, and if you still have questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. For more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.